Hey everyone, it's Nelson Miller here with PA Creative. Today I'm excited to announce that our flagship plugin, Divi Assistant, is ready to be used with Divi 5. So we've added full support for Divi 5. It also actually works both ways. It can work for Divi 4. It's going to be version 2.0. So you can continue to use that version on Divi 4. And then whenever you're ready to upgrade to Divi 5, this version and any following versions, 2.0.1 or 2.1 or 2, that's going to always work now for Divi 4, or if you're upgrading to Divi 5, or if you're starting on a brand new site with Divi 5. So this is the official upgrade. We are still calling it beta, but it's the official upgrade. Like, we've done all of our own testing. We've had feedback from others as well who were beta testing. So this is a big announcement. We're really excited about this. It's the first of many of our plugins which will get a similar announcement like this. Now, we can just check the blog post. It's actually really short. Kind of goes over exactly what I just said. It's a compatibility update. Now, there is a big change, we'll say. We're kind of setting the foundation for new things. All right. So there's going to be a new user interface. Now, it's going to be pretty obvious, so I could show you that, but it's going to be quite different. And the cool thing is, this is leading the way. This is going to be the same interface on all of our plugins. So if I hop over here, and I can see here that I'm using the Divi 5. It happens to be Alpha 22 at the time of this recording. So I can go, you'll see a new PA Creative menu item now, and then all of our plugins that you have installed will be listed under that. So it's kind of a unified system that we'll have here. And then here, you can see that there is a styling difference. We're on an overview tab. Every plugin will have that now. And I'll have a different video and blog post about that. But you can see the version quickly and all of your, your search and settings, import and stuff like that. And the nice thing is, now you can access your license key really easily. It's going to be a lot easier to do that. We've made changes in the account as well. But yeah, the interface here you can kind of see it's different. There's a little bit different styling. We're going to be updating all our images. But yeah, so for now, there's not really a lot of new features. There's a couple small things. But now we've laid the foundation, and there will be new features coming. In fact, I've talked about that here, the new chapter for PA Creative plugin. So it's essentially like a foundation now. We've not only spent all of this time rebuilding everything from the ground up. I mean, exhausting work for the last couple of years, rebuilding everything to be compatible with Divi 5. We want to stay relevant. We want to show you that we're committed. We're going to be here for the long haul, and we have a lot of things that have been building up, like ideas. The ideas didn't stop just because we weren't releasing feature updates. The ideas kept building up, and so this lays the groundwork. There's a lot that we have planned and hope for. Hopefully we can pull it off and try to do it incrementally. We're going to keep adding new features. In fact, we already have our next update to version 2.1 really close to being ready, if not ready now. So that'll kind of give you a taste of what's coming. So hope you like that. And yeah, we're just kind of using Divi Assistant here as our flagship. Now it's leading the way. Now our other plugins are going to get this similar update. And of course, if you're not using Divi Assistant yet, check it out. It's the ultimate toolkit for Divi users. Really helpful tools for the admins. It's tools that I personally have needed through the last decade of using Divi, and so I put them all into this plugin, and a lot more based on your feedback and suggestions. So hope you like it, and we'll see you all in our next video and our next updates.